not that one. What day now? What day now? Today, hi guys! Happy Wednesday! And dito pa rin kami sa Adelaide. Hindi pa namin alam kung aalis kami mamaya or mag-stay ulit ng one day. Kasi hindi pa nag-fishing nga si John. So, today is
Wednesday,
October 9. Eh, nakapaglaro na sila ng ng playground. Kami ni Mars. Naghunt kami ng kinya. Hindi namin mahanap yung kinang car niya hanggang ngayon.
Where?
That one. Yeah! Oh, you said that? Oh my God! Diyos ko, Lord!
Oh my God!
Nahanap na! Andito, kanina pa namin nahanap yung cave. Back
Matanda na talaga tayo.
Tinanggal namin yung car seat. Binuhat-buhat namin. Ayan yung cave. Sabi ko sa'yo.
I found
it! So what do I earn?
The playground.
No? Because I just found it.
Kanina pa namin hinahanap. Sila lang nasa playground naglalaro. Kami nandito. Sasabi ko, sige, uwi na lang tayo. Bakit hindi? Ikaw, kasalanan kasi ako.
Pagod lang tayo.
Kanina ko pa, kanina ko pa ginaganon yung akin. Ikaw dapat ginaganon mo.
Ayun nga, so pagka-seatbelt ko siguro.
Nahulog. Oh. Okay na guys, nahanap na namin. Mga 15 minutes. Mga 15 minutes.
We're trying to find this.
Paano mo? How did you see it, Baba? Nakatayo lang siya.
It was trapped there.
No, I was like this. And then...
See, bakit hindi ka ganyan? Ganun-ganun ka pa kanina ka pang ganyan-ganyan.
I was like this.
Kanina pa siya ganun na ganun niya ginagawa. Hindi niya nakita.
Mom, why'd you say...
Ay, okay na guys. And kagabi pala hindi ko na na-close yung vlog kasi na-lowbat na tayo. So, yeah. Di ba nanghina kami?
Nanghina kami din.
Kasi hindi namin, tinawagan niya pa yung kasi una, hinatid pa namin si Riker sa school. Tapos nagpunta kami kila Ella sa cafe, may hinatid din. Tinawagan niya pa yung asawa ni Ella, pinahanap dun sa parking. Sabi ko, hindi aandar ang car pag wala yung key. Pero sabi niya, may app daw, baka dahil sa app. Pero sabi ko, hindi yung key talaga. So wala doon.
So nandun, so pagka-seatbelt ko siya, yeah, I got stuck there.
Baka seatbelt mo sa yung sarili, hindi kay kay ate. Nakabalik na pala kayo dito sa bahay ni Mers. Ayan, nagpakuha ko sa mga bata ng, eto yung seaweed. Organic pa naman siya, roasted seaweed. Yung nabili namin sa Costco, wala na yata kayong madadala. Pauwi. Ayan, si Holly meron din. Guys, nasa car na naman kami. Si Jan tsaka yung mga boys nagbili ng golf shoes ni Kuya. Saan sila? Saan?
South Road.
South Road, so medyo malayo. So, kikitain na lang namin sila sa Henley Beach para mag-coffee. Okay, 1 o'clock na. Coffee, lunch, late lunch. Ang ganda ng weather. Buti na nag-stay pa kami ng one day. Kasi 26 ngayon, no?
Yeah. Walang hangin.
Walang hangin. Oh, itong the best. Walang hangin. So, sila dyan. Nagsha-shopping pa yun ng sapatos ni Kuya para sa kanyang golf.
Kaya, kakain na tayo.
Kami kakain na kami. Wala sila. Na to. Ayan. Ayan na yung family ko.
Iniisip ko pala kanina kasama natin si Holly. Kaya sabi ko tatlo lang sila. Apo pala sila na kanilang tatlo.
Ay, papasok na sila. Dito yung table nila. Ando na yung order nila. Apple juice, Coke, Holly. What's that? Lemonade. What's that, Holly? Pepsi. Toasty. Yeah, this thing.
Walang cutlery. Ayun, cutlery. Wala tayong cutlery. Hindi ka ng cutlery.
Hi, cutlery, please. Can we have yung in-order ko? Ano sa'yo? Toasty din?
Pancake.
Pancake. Akala ko kay Harley yung pancake. Tapos doon, mag-ano sila, magka-copyright tayo. Yung yogurt bowl sila with fruits. Si Jan tsaka si Holly, toasty. Hindi ko pa, wala po. Ayan yung yogurt, nila. Strawberries. Alam mo, ang ginawa, tinanggal niya yung strawberries. Tinanggal niya yung strawberries, yung frozen. Okay, we're done here. Apple juice pala yan. Come on, ate. Yung mga boys na una nandun, no? Sa harapan ng dagat. Doon yung mga bata dyan. Yan, si Mars and Harley. And the view. Kuha nila yung nabili nila sa ano. Na shopping nila. Oh, what you got? Is that yours? Is
No, it's taken.
Let's go, yeah. Oh, bumili. I thought you're just gonna get shoes. Oh, so you got two. Lucky you, yeah. Let me see ya. Oh, ang dami niya ng golf, ano. Let me see here. Oh, black. Bago niyang golf shoes. Ang what's the brand?
I said the black ones because the one.
Yan, yung parang may ano. Iba din naman. Yun, spike sa iba naman. 320.
That was for the white ones.
That was for the white one.
So how about the black one?
220 that.
Ah, okay.
These just look better, I reckon.
Yeah, that's nice.
Black.
Nice and high.
How much is that one?
They were 220. The other ones in like 320.
So $100 difference for white and black.
But this one's these are better.
Wow, lucky you.
Daddy, whisper.
But the top is expensive too.
Shit.
$70 for one.
Mom,
You make sure you don't put oil. Let me see.
floor.
How about? No, I didn't meant to.
Oh,
Yeah, $70 each. Wow. Hi guys. Diba? Nasa car kami ni John. Dito na ako sa aking family car. O diba? Ang init. O mamaya na lang. Hindi tayo makapag-vlog.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Guys, magdi-dinner pala kami. Kasama sila Indy. So, hintayin namin sila Indy dito. Walang parking doon kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Ano ba yung pangalan ng... Robin Hood?
Oh, magnanakaw.
Robin Hood. Yung hotel ata. Is it a hotel, Ben? Is it a hotel?
Pub, yeah.
Yeah, a pub. Oh. So, first time natin dito magdi-dinner. And walang parking. So, dito kami sa... kung saan lang. So, hintayin natin sila race dito. Kasi tinawagan ni Jan na wag na pumunta doon. Kasi full nga yung, yung park doon. So, hintayin natin sila. O, diba? Ibang location na naman kung saan. Saan na lang kami. Gutom ka na? Kasi pancake lang naman. Ako medyo okay ba? Kasi
Try ko natulog.
Oo.
I'm gonna have dessert tonight.
Ah, kaya hindi ka na. Dito lang.
Andito na.
Nandito na po si Indy. Ayan, bababa na sila. Ayun na si Johnny
Oh,
Boy.
Ronald.
Si Sak na Aras. Ayun na si Arlo. Hanaw na si Sak.
Nag-aabang.
Where does he put the door?
Ah, diba? Si Tito Jan. Laging hinahag. Arlo, where's my key? Oh, nagag siya kay Ate Holly. Where's my hug? Ay, hinahag niya lahat. Ang cute. Ate Harley. Where's Tita Manay's hug? Where's Tita Manay? Tita Marsag. Yeah, thank you. Mwah. Hi, Arlie. Hi, Bebop. You got lipstick? You got lipstick. How about Tita Mars? Tita Mars hug. Say hi. High five. High five dong kay Tito Ben. High five. High five. Hoy, Tita Mars. Tita Mars. Oh, cute. Andito si Indy.
Kiss ko pa mo si Indy muna.
Daddy, how's it going, mate?
Okay. Dito na kami guys sa loob. Si Jan nagpa-book.
Ayan.
Thank you. Guys, cheers. Meron tayo wine. Cheers tayo dahil. Kasama to dun sa order ko. Laksa. Oh, right? Sarap? Masarap? Try mo. Ayan na baba yung ice mo. Dapat next time mag-order tayong unang ice.
Ayan
Okay
na.
lang naman,
Ayan
diba?
pala gusto niya. Okay meeting natin.
Eh, si Indy, oh. Ang lakwatserang Indy. Ilang taon ka pa lang? Ilang taon? Ilang days ka pa lang?
Wala pa lang 2 weeks.
Wala pa.
Wala pa siyang 2 weeks.
Pero happy siya, oh.
Dami na yung gala.
Dami ng gala. Alam mo, party girl to. Party girl ikaw. Happy lang siya kahit hindi na ano.
Gusto niya ganito maraming tao. Iwan ko nga yan dito. Iwan kita.
Iwan ka daw, G. Sorry. Nagulat ka.
So, namili kayo ng mga bagong damit?
Kami ni Mars kasi ayan na yung order ni sa steak and si Holly steak din. What did you get, Kuya? Kuya, what did you get? Burger. Ah, you got steak? Ayan yung kay Kuya. Ayaw niya yung guacamole, so binibigyan niya kay Tito Dan. Burger sa kanya. Wagyu, ya? Is that Wagyu? No. Okay, kaya yung sa... Ay, wow, sis! Ah, ayan na yung kanila. Thank you. Ito yung akin laksa. Sa kanya. Laksa, kaya humingi ako ng bowl. Tapos na kayong kumain, naglalakad na kami, guys. Papunta kayo sa dessert. Kami guys sa Yochi ice cream. Ang daming tao. Ito na yung famous na Yochi, guys. Ayan. Ah, diba? Ang haba ng pila. Buti tapos na kami. Haba-haba ng pila hanggang doon. Andun yung boy. Si Dan, si Jan. Si, ano ba? Sino to? Yung bus ng boy. Bye! Tapos na kayo sa Yochi, guys. Oh, bye-bye na. Naghiwalay na kami, guys. Pauwi na kami kila Mers.
Yes, but we just stopped at the RTR to get fuel and get water because we're thirsty.
Yeah, andun na si Jen. Nag-fuel lang kami. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow I keep repeating the same mistakes.
Ah, you got lucky?
I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, oh oh oh, oh oh oh, oh oh oh, oh oh oh. tomorrow. Let our worries fill, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight.